In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Add to Cart button not working in WooCommerce, a common issue that can disrupt your online store's seamless experience. If you've been facing this challenge, don't worry. We'll walk through a straightforward solution that should get everything back on track quickly. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the WooCommerce settings within your WordPress dashboard. To do this, simply log in to your WordPress admin panel. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with various options. Find WooCommerce in this list and click on it. This will expand a submenu. From here, go ahead and click on Settings. Now you're in the main WooCommerce settings area. Next, look for the Products tab. You'll find this at the top of the WooCommerce settings page. Clicking on Products takes you into the specific settings that deal with product configurations and behaviors. This section is crucial because it controls aspects of your online store that directly affect how customers interact with your products, including the Add to Cart functionality. Once you're in the product settings, scroll down or look carefully for a setting labeled Enable Ajax Add to Cart buttons on archives. Ajax, which stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML, allows your website to update pages dynamically without having to reload the entire page. This makes it possible for a customer to add a product to their cart without experiencing a cumbersome page refresh. When this option is not enabled, users might find that their attempts to add items to the cart have no immediate visible effect, leading to confusion or frustration. Ensure that this box is checked. If it's unchecked, the Add to Cart button on archive pages might not function correctly. By checking it, you enable this dynamic feature, making the interaction smoother and more user-friendly. After you've made this adjustment, it's crucial to ensure your changes are saved. Look towards the bottom of the page, and you should see a Save Changes button. Click on this to confirm and apply your new settings. It's always a good practice to confirm that any changes are properly saved to avoid having to repeat the process. Once you've saved the changes, test the Add to Cart button on your site to ensure everything is working correctly. Go to a product archive page. Try adding a product to your cart and see if the functionality is restored. By following these steps, you should now have a fully functional WooCommerce store where customers can effortlessly add products to their carts in a more streamlined, efficient manner. And there you have it. If you followed these instructions, your Add to Cart button issue should be resolved, bringing more satisfaction to your customers and potentially boosting your sales. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and guides on maintaining a successful online store.